Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here, so let me try to use them and see how it works now. And as you can see now, by tapping on this I can easily take a picture. So to change its function we have to move to more advanced option. Let's go for now to the left corner. When we tap on this button we can open the advanced camera settings, and from here let's slide a little bit down to the useful features. We have to pick here the shooting methods, and here we have other options to manage with shooting. At the first place is the press volume key to function, so when we tap on this we can pick from take picture or record video, which was now zoom or system volume. So let me pick zoom now to show you how it works different, and let's go back to the camera and let me try to tap on these buttons again and see how it works. And as you can see now, by using this I can easily get closer to my subject, so I can zoom and also go back. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.